not to dominate, but to protect. Not to win by coercion, but to win through agreement. Win-win, not win-lose. We are Gaelic people. We're Gaelic people, and we remember. We remember the sting of empire. We remember the sting of forced silence. We remember the sting of hunger. We remember the sting of dependence. And because we remember, we refuse. We refuse to be pawns in foreign games. We refuse to clench our fists on foreign soil for another empire. The Tuatha De Danann taught us that strength doesn't always lie in the sword or in dropping bombs. Strength lies in the soul. Strength lies in loving your land. Strength lies in connection. The Gaelic man's strength is the Gaelic man's connection with other Gaelic people, with the land, with the goddess Eru. Strength doesn't lie in bombing strangers that you have no problem with. Neutrality does not mean inaction. Neutrality does not mean inaction. Neutrality is active guardianship. Neutrality is active guardianship. It's refusing. It's refusing to be a pawn on foreign soil for a foreign empire, for a war that is not ours. That's what neutrality means to the Gaelic man. We're not blind to suffering. We are not people who can't see the suffering. We just don't believe that justice can ever be achieved by dropping bombs on people. We are here with open hands to help and to mediate. We just don't believe in clenching our fists on foreign soil for foreign powers. And there are foreign people who will mock it and laugh at it. But generally they're the same people who profit from endless war. They don't understand their connection. They don't understand the vow we've made to the goddess Eru to protect her. They don't understand the connection of the Gaelic people, whether they're still in Ireland or they're all over the world. There's a secret connection you will never understand. Every Gaelic man, woman and child carries this in their bones. They know. They understand. Deep down they understand the wisdom of Brehon. The wisdom of the connection. The oath to the Tuatha De Danann. Not to dominate, but to protect. Not to win by coercion, but to win through agreement. Win-win, not win-lose. That's the way of the Tuatha De Danann. Gaelic people are stewards of neutrality. In the Gaelic lands, we call our neutrality the triple lock. Triple lock, it's so important. And we are stewards of neutrality because we know. Because we know that peace doesn't come through dropping bombs. Peace comes through connection. And everyone on the earth deserves justice and sovereignty and freedom. Not only the people who can afford to wage their endless wars, every single human being. So let them rage. Let the Fomorians try to shame us. We will not be shamed into being pawns for endless foreign wars. We are Gaelic and we are Ireland, and we will not be made into soldiers for some foreign empire. We stand for peace. We stand for the triple lock neutrality, and we stand together. We will not be moved.